Good morning.
Steemfest Conference Day 2, and we're going to ICE. Oh, it's not ICE Conference Center? ICE Conference Center. I.C.E. Conference Center. Well, ICE probably deserved it as well. Anyhow, we're going to the events of Day 2.
And with a full honesty, we have to say that the Steemfest is quite taking a lot of energy from you, because the days are starting really early, like 9 o'clock, and then you kinda keep going till midnight.
Yeah, keep going till midnight, and then you find amazing photo options in the beautiful city of Krakow and spend extra 2 hours in the middle of the night just taking amazing photos of the city, which you're gonna definitely see later. But right now, let's go and check out how Day 2 looks. Mandarin oranges, where do you get those? Always remind you of Christmas.
So after this lunch break, we are also getting some work done finally, and
Editing photos.
she's listening to Dutch rap.
It's group picture time, and you can't organize 300 people to do it like this, right? You know. Roland just Roland just told us to sit. So we're sitting in a room, all of us just sitting. Hey Chris, what you doing?
Finishing editing some drone.
I want all of this, huh?
It's my third bowl already.
It's been 2 hours and Chris hasn't stopped eating, and we have dinner after maybe an hour or so. But you can see that the hall behind me is getting a bit empty, because it's already 3 p.m. in the afternoon, 3:30 in the afternoon. People probably went home to get ready for the beautiful dinner that we have tonight ahead, and the party. Probably everyone's just, you know, taking a shower, putting their best party dresses on. So we'll see how they come back and how they're gonna look. A quick moment from a shot of your face from head to toes. So it's gonna be like. What? And the man himself, Roland, the organizer of the event. Look at him, look at him.
Hi. Should I look at the camera?
No.
Should I look at you? Look at the camera?
It's just
look at you. Look at the camera?
Your outfit is just outstanding.
You're doing a great job. Thank you so much.
Cheers.
And that's it. Just
okay. Thank you.
from our new best Korean friends is, well, I didn't get it, I just took it. Those are goodies from Korea. So right now at the dinner table I have a Korean coffee right here. Korean chili paste. Korean seaweed. And what is this? What was it?
Soju.
Soju.
Yeah, soju.
I want to try it. Soju.
Okay.
You're gonna try it.
Just a little bit.
I think you should try this seaweed too.
Try seaweed and try soju.
Oh my god, wait. I think it's like... Right now, live. Cheers. To Korea. How do you say it? I forgot again. Ganbae, all my Korean friends. Oh, but it's not so bad. At first it's like really strong, but then it's really sweet.
How many percentage does it have?
Like 16.9.
16 and 60.
16, try it a little bit.
Try
Just
it.
a little bit, huh?
Oh, it's good. I like it. It tastes like a wine.
There you go. So we have that. Okay.
Travel it.
Do it again.
Do it again. Boom.
Dropping the beat.
And there's no beat.
Yeah, you're gonna feel it. It's coming, it's coming.
A slow jam for all the ladies in Poland. Yeah, can you feel me? Where's the beat? Where's my snare? Chicka chicka baby girl. This palm's the spaghetti. These weeks I'm spaghetti.